What's up guys? As you can see right here, we've got a brand new camera and it's the V-Raptor from Red. Neatly packed, gives us a nice little thingamajig, tells us what to do, that we can chuck. This is the beauty of it. There we go. This is the Red V-Raptor. This is Red's first. I think it's pretty much the only high-speed camera of this size in the market. It shoots 8K at 120 frames per second, 4K 240, and that is definitely a game changer, especially in our field, in wildlife, where we've been really struggling to get some high-speed shots unless we're using a Phantom Flex, and that's just way too much for us to handle sometimes. So a camera like this is definitely something that we've been waiting for, shouting from rooftops, and finally someone delivered. So just a quick run through. They've gone and given us a nice little display. Vericam has it, Panavision has it, Canon C700 has gone into this, now Red has gone into this. This is actually their new lineup, DSMC3 lineup. So we're done with the DSMC2, we've gone into this now, new world, completely different, redesigned concept. All I can say, it's small. It fits in my palm of my hand. You can do a lot of run and gun stuff. You can mount it up onto your big lenses, so I'm sure we can have a wide variety of things being shot with it. One really interesting thing that I find is that they've included a USB-C port, which means you can actually use your iPad or your iPhone or your Android phones to be used as a monitor, which is pretty neat because sometimes you don't want to be running around with a big ass monitor. You just want it simple, neat, small, and sometimes running on Wi-Fi doesn't really do the job. It's just sometimes too slow, so being cabled is definitely the way to go. The other thing is they've moved into RF mounts. So no more EF from Canon, it's just going to be in RF. There are a lot of adapters, like for instance, you can get these PL to RF adapters, which then enables your entire cine lineup. So that is something really great. You're not losing out on anything really here. Well, I don't think so that I should be talking too much about this. Let's just go out there in the field. We've got to be using it. It literally just came up a day before we were packing for another shoot. So we got to rig it up and get out the door. You'll see more of this pretty soon. Because sometimes the latency does not work. Our guard dog